The reaction that I chose is bond breaking. Purpose of the reaction is bond energy measures the strength of a covalent bond. The stronger the bond to be broken, the more energy is required to be taken in. The energy absorbed in the breaking one mole of covalent bond is called bond energy. It is the same as the energy given out in making the same amount of covalent bond. This reaction is important for the organism because bonds break in the reactants and new bonds form in the products. This process is important for organisms to be alive. Bond break and reform during the chemical reactions. Reactants and products contain the same atoms, but they are rearranged during the reaction, so reactants and products are different substances. Does the reaction use any enzymes, catalyst? Yes, the enzyme substrate complex can lower the activation energy by contorting substrate molecules in such a way as to facilitate bond breaking. Bond breaking could be considered as a catabolic, and for the activation energy, its heat of reaction is equal to total heat energy absorbed when both bonds are broken into the reactants, subtracted by total heat energy released when new bonds are formed in the products. And bond breaking is exergonic because energy is released when a chemical bond is formed. During a chemical reaction, there's two references that I could use. If the total energy required to break bonds in the reactant is more than the total energy released when new bonds are formed in the products, it is an endothermic reaction. However, if the total energy required to break bonds in the reactant is less than the total energy released when new bonds are formed in the products, it is an exothermic reaction. And this is a diagram that you could use for covalent bond and bond energy relationship.